Hello, how are you? I am back again and I thought I'd do a really quick video just sharing a new app/platform where you can actually make a little bit of money every month. And I only joined it last week. I got recommended it by a friend, which I'm very grateful for. And I thought I'd share it because actually it has helped me make a little bit of cash already. And I've only posted a couple of posts and already I've made a chunk of change. I'm going to be paying for my petrol with it this month, if not my shopping. So I'm putting it out there. I think it's actually pretty good. So I have linked it in the description box below. It's called Social Tip and it is really easy to use. So you don't have to have loads of followers for this. You're basically making kind of user-generated content, but you're posting on your own channel. And there are loads of brands on there and actually really nice brands as well. So a few that I can pick out are Deliciously Ella, Simba Mattresses, Candy Kittens, B&M's. Like there are quite a lot of brands on there. And basically all you have to do is post either a TikTok or Instagram stories. So you don't even have to put it on your main grid, you're just putting it on your stories. And you upload the content, it stays on your stories for the full 24 hours, and then you submit it. And you also have to submit a receipt to prove that you did buy it. And then within like 24, maybe 48 hours, it gives you your price that you've been paid, because they do pay people if they have more or less followers. And then, yeah, you just basically can withdraw your money. So for instance, one of the brands on there is B&M's and they have products in their store which are literally like, I don't know, chocolate bars for like 50p. You could buy a chocolate bar and you could post a post and make like, I can't remember how much, but maybe like £5 or £10. And from that one receipt, that one purchase, you could post multiple times. So you do have to spend a little bit of money, but you don't have to spend a lot. Also, they've got things on there which you might have bought 6, 12 months ago, maybe even longer, like 2 years ago. I have done that and I have managed to find the receipt in my inbox, and I have done a post and then submitted a receipt which is like literally a year old, and that still counts. So I would recommend just kind of like signing up, having a look, seeing what you like on there. Like for instance, I like Deliciously Ella's either like granola or muesli, and I want to post about that. So this week I'm going to make sure I buy some in my supermarket shop, and then I'm going to post about it, and I essentially will get the product for free and get a little bit of money. And then probably the next week I'll do another post about it and then make some more money, and then I'll probably do another post about it and make some more money, and I get to enjoy the product and I get to make some money, and I get to use that same receipt multiple times to make more money. Now this app might not make you rich overnight, I cannot deny. However, it will help you get sponsored posts, and sometimes it's just nice to make a couple of extra £100 per month. You can also refer your friends and make a little bit of bonus money. So if you sign up, I will personally make a little bit of bonus money. But already I think I've made £30 or £40. I need to check, and I've only posted a couple of things. So I would recommend signing up. I do think it's good. It isn't like huge money, but you don't have to do a lot of work. It is just on Instagram stories, so it's not on your main grid, and you can post about the same brands over and over and over again. And I think that's really nice as well, because you don't feel like you're constantly promoting like different brands that you've never heard of. You're promoting your favorite brands a lot. So yeah, that is my quick video. I hope it's of help. I would recommend joining up. The link is below. I will get a little bonus when I sign up, but I'm sharing this because I do genuinely think it's really good, and I have already made some money myself. And yeah, I think it's really good. Like I'm going to buy some M&S thermals later this month because I was going to buy them anyway. I'm going to keep my receipt. I'm going to submit it, do a quick story about it, and it will probably pay for my thermals, which I was planning on buying regardless. So I think it's really good. I would recommend it, and I thought I'd share it with you. So that is my video.